We have our team of First Warning meteorologists. We have our chief, Tony Manolfi, Marquise Mita, and Tony, exactly how long can we expect this severe weather to last?
Yeah, we're on the tail end of it now, Marquise and Luana. You know, we think that by 8, 9 o'clock things going to wind down. Marquise, we still have yet another warning. 10 warnings out there today with 1 tornado warning.
It's been super active,
yeah.
And one of the reasons why it's just been a very warm afternoon, right? High temperatures peaked in the upper 80s, so all of that is adding juice and instability into the atmosphere.
And over 10,000 lightning strikes now in March. That's pretty unheard of. All right, let's go to the radar real quickly. I want to kind of break things down for everybody. Impact weather will be with us now as we go through about 8, 9 o'clock tonight. We think over the next hour or two, things are going to begin to wind on down. But a very active afternoon. You can see special weather statements here, a little yellow box, and tremendous amount of lightning strikes now ongoing here in northeastern Marion County. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7 o'clock. So we'll have to watch this here for our friends up in Flagler County. Farther to the south, haven't seen this in a while, a rare flood advisory. This on the heels of the drought. A lot of rain falling near Sanford, where the tornado warning was a little while ago. Still some gusty winds now west of the I-95 corridor. Then farther to the south, you can see from Orlando to Bithlo. The worst is over. The roads are still wet. We'll continue to monitor that. Kissimmee, Point Siena, Kenansville, a lot of active weather still for you. Wet, wet, wet. And look at all of these storm reports now. From earlier today, 1-inch diameter hail near Palm Bay. Wind gusts there upwards of 65 miles an hour with early afternoon storms. Let's check in with Marquise to see where all this is headed for the remainder of the evening.
Well, Tony, as we were just talking about a second ago, we have that projection towards the north and to the east, right? And we're going to keep watching that. But these are look at your highs that we saw today. Temperatures peaking in the mid and the upper 80s. Some of us coming really close to 90-degree weather right here in Central Florida. But of course, we've cooled substantially since the showers have moved in. What we're watching out for the rest of your evening will include heavy rain, damaging wind. I don't believe the chance for tornadic potential is going to be as high with temperatures cooling after sunset. Nevertheless, though, it's a warm pocket of moist air that we're underneath here in Central Florida. And the overall movement of the rain showers is from the southwest to the north and the east. So surrounding the I-4 corridor, pushing up towards I-95 is where we're seeing that stronger activity. And we could still see some stronger wind gusts with the rain coming down. Wind gusts between 30 to 40 plus miles per hour back towards I-75 in the Wildwood area. Still breezy by 9:30. When the activity is even falling apart, we can still see some gusts up to 40 mile per hour conditions. But then overnight, as we push past 12 o'clock, rain chances fade. But another one is going to be looming in, coming in from the north and the west. We're going to be watching our next cold front return on Monday with another round of impact weather. And that's exactly what we'll be timing out coming up in the next 15 minutes.